In this video, you'll learn how to create a mask layer in any shape using Webflow. This process allows you to add unique visual styles to your web designs, enhancing their overall appearance and functionality. Begin by navigating to the Webflow website for Shangri-La's top-notch site. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for the site. Once the page loads, you will see the Webflow interface, which includes various design options and tools available for your project. Next, locate the Apps section in the interface. This can typically be found in the left sidebar of the Webflow workspace. Click on the Apps option and a list of available applications will appear on your screen, allowing you to extend the functionality of your site. After that, type ClipPath Bay into the search bar at the top of the Apps section. This will help you quickly find the specific application needed to create the mask layer. As you type, relevant suggestions may appear below the search bar. Once you see ClipPath Bay in the search results, click on it to access the application. A new interface will open, displaying various options for creating and customizing your mask layers. Now, click on the Install on Site button to add this application to your current project. This step is crucial as it integrates the functionality of ClipPath Bay into your Webflow design environment. You may need to wait a moment for the installation to complete, and you should see a confirmation message once it is successfully added. Next, select the image you want to apply the mask to. Click on the image within your design to highlight it. This image will serve as the base for your mask layer, so ensure it is the correct selection before proceeding. Following this, choose the shape you wish to use for the mask. You can start with the parallelogram option. Click on it to apply this shape as your mask. You will see the image now being clipped to the parallelogram shape, which visually alters its appearance. Continue by selecting additional shapes such as rhombus, pentagon, and hexagon in the same manner. Each time you select a shape, observe how the image is reshaped according to the selected mask. This allows for a playful exploration of visual styles. After trying out different shapes, you may want to finalize your design by clicking on Bevel to add further customization to the edges of your mask. This can enhance the overall aesthetic of your design. Finally, click on the Clip It button to apply the mask to your image. This action will finalize your design, applying the selected shape as a mask layer. A confirmation message will indicate that the clipping has been successful, and you can now view the changes in your design. That concludes the tutorial on creating a mask layer in any shape in Webflow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.